Hey everyone, it's your girl Glory Walker with marketingwithglory.com, and I am back with a video review of the No Fear Video Marketing System by Mark Harbert. Now, if you are like me, you absolutely love videos, but you might be scared to do videos. So or you might be a seasoned veteran and you are actually doing videos, but you may not be happy with your results. You may not be pulling in the right the right prospect, or you might not, or you are not producing the right sales or performance. If you answer yes to any of those previous scenarios, then this is the right um, system for you, and you are in the right place. So on to the review. Okay. So, if you are looking in the back office, you will see that there is a welcome video off to the right. And this is perfect if you are a newbie because this system has probably at least over 100 videos, okay? And Mark, he has the type of personality where he is actually going to hold your hand throughout the system. And this is very perfect and crucial because if you're a newbie, it is very crucial that you complete the modules in order. But if you are a veteran, you know, you could just hop over to the various modules and just pick and choose and whatever you feel is beneficial to to yourself. Um, but like I said, if you're a newbie, you'll find out it's it's crucial if you just go from step to step to step. Now, Mark has filled this system with plenty of bonuses, and you'll see that throughout the system. Oh, there you go. Okay, you'll find that throughout the system. Okay, now, okay, there it is. I'm sorry, I had a little technical difficulty. Okay, so like I said, if you go to Module 1, you find out, although there's 10 modules in a system, when you go to each module, for example, like Module 1, you'll find that there are modules within modules. So the first module, Online Video Outbreak, my system is a little slow. One second. Okay, once you open that up, you'll see that there are modules within this one. Okay, and this one, he has broke this down into this is the very basics, and he explains why online videos are important to your business, and the psychology of online videos, and then he talks about overcoming your fear of the camera. Okay, and what I like about Mark is at the end of each module, he even provides additional resources and training, and I think that's really cool. And in module 2, prospect targeting matrix, he talks about what makes you unique, which is very good, very important video, particularly if you're very new. Um, it's, and it's very important. And you as a newbie, you see all these superstars, on YouTube, and you're trying to, should I copy these other people? So it's very important. And he talks about your personal branding, and what's very, I like his style, because most of these videos aren't that long. A lot of them are like 5 to 7 minutes, and you find some that are 20 minutes. So I think there's one here like about 35 minutes, but most of them are typically no more than 10 minutes. He gets straight to the point. I think Module 7, YouTube Supremacy, is like the biggest, one of the biggest modules he has in here. I think it's like 19 modules in here. Of course, it's going to be one of the biggest modules, and he really goes really deep with this one, and I really enjoy this one as well. And he talks about keyword research, using proper tags, and this is really how to crush YouTube. Um, I, And like I said, and again, more resources and training. Some of these resources are free and some are paid, and I really appreciate that about Mark. And there's another one in here, another module that's very different. And I kind of liked it. Some people didn't like it. They felt that it's very light on content. And it's module 9. And it's very unique because he talks, this is the live broadcasting one. And here he talks about Periscope and how Periscope um, is unique to your business. And he has a guest. Her name is Nadia, and she talks about how it was instrumental to her video marketing business. And I thought it was kind of unique, and they talked about um, how that parallels or complements your not your Facebook, but your live video business. So that was pretty different. And again, some more resources. Now, what I appreciate about Mark is that this is broken down into, okay, it's broken down into your bonuses for your library, your bonuses for your training. And then what he did was he took the whole system and he put it on audio. Now, how cool is that? Not just one module, not just two modules, but he took the whole entire system and put it on audio. Now, that is awesome. Now, if you can't get value out of this, I don't know what. I mean, if you're commuting, working out, at work, on your lunch break, the whole entire system. I mean, that is the most coolest thing I've ever seen. So that's pretty cool. Now, for your bonuses, um, let's go to the library, bonus library. Now, when he when this was in beta form, he took some students, and for 6 weeks, um, he put that on bonus as well. So prior to releasing No Fear Video Marketing, he did a beta test, and he did that for like I think 6 to 8 weeks, and he released that as well. So that's on bonus. That's awesome as well. And so he had some other stuff too. He released 100 video headlines swipes that he's created. That's on bonus. That's awesome. And also some video ideas. That's on bonus as well. So yeah, this is awesome. This is a very awesome system. You will not be disappointed. Um, and also there are 2 Facebook groups, one for syndication uh, that you should need to sign up for. Both groups are very active as well. Um, oh, and there's another module is also is great, the dispersion game plan. And what's cool about this is that once you get, and this is, I'm sorry, so for the video dispersion game plan, this is what to do once you get your videos. So this is also awesome as well. So not only does he teach you how to market the video marketing, but he doesn't just leave you out there. He holds your hand afterwards. I mean, he tells you exactly what to do with your videos, how to host them, what to do with your videos, how to repurpose them, and then how to turn them into podcasts. I mean, he really holds your hand. He doesn't just leave you out there stranded. So that's what I really appreciate about Mark. So yeah. So let's see. Think of her. Oh, and also another bonus is the 30-day where is it? The 30-day action plan. And this is also an awesome bonus as well. Please take advantage of this. This is also an audio form as well. So, like I was getting to say earlier, is that with this program, with this system, once you get plugged into the system, he does not leave you hanging. As soon as you plug into the system, he gives you action plans to do, things to do right away. So there's no waiting around, waiting for anything. There's no waiting around for a PIN number or a password or waiting around for anything to come into, come into the mail or anything like that. You hit the ground running with Mark's program. So there, yeah, so that's that. So if you have any questions or any issues or any problems, please comment below, or as soon as you get as soon as you get and plugged in, um, sign up on the Facebook group, so you can get in contact with Mark, or so you can reach out to anyone if you have any problems or any issues. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.